What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen and you guys are watching Jen's Life Anatomy Vlog, #JLove. And for today's video, it's the time of the month again for our IPSY bag. Woo! So we just got our IPSY bag. I actually got it a few days ago, but I wanted to save it so I can take a video and share it with you guys. So let's check it out. All right. So what we have here today, oh, we got another bag. Let's see. It's the makeup wipes again by Refreshments cleansing wipes. So I got 2 of those again in this bag. And then we got our smaller bag here. So I guess this is just extra. I don't know. I'm not sure. So this is our IPSY bag for this month. This is what it looks like. It's a black bag and it has like cobwebs on the back. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. And it says IPSY right here. So let me get a little closer and show you guys. Oh, and the zipper has a purple detail on it. And oh, by the way, the zipper has a spider. In fact, it has a spider just right there. And as we open it up, first thing I could see here is the Ultra Restore Body Butter by Kopari. Can you guys see that? Let's see what it smells like. Let's see. Body butter. Oh no, it's still closed. It smells, in fact, like shea butter. Okay. So next one is a vitamin E balm by Feel. And let's try this one. Doesn't smell like anything. The next one that we see here is a Purlisse BB Illuminating Cream with SPF 30. And I got for oily, normal to dry skin and even sensitive. Next thing we got in the bag is Pear Nova. It's a classic liqueur, luxury vegan nail. Okay, I guess it's a nail polish, guys. So this is the packaging, and then this is the color. Ooh, it's a cute color. Can't wait to try it. It's a nice fall color, in fact. So that is it for the one in the bag. And lastly, I got some eyeshadow palette, and it's Beauty Creations. It's by Beauty Creations and it's called Hot Fire eyeshadow palette. And let's check out what's inside. This is what it looks like. That is the colors. They have neutral colors. 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmer colors, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 neutral colors. And it has a mirror. So that is it for our unboxing for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you guys haven't, and also like this video if you guys enjoyed it. All right guys, I'll see you on the next videos coming up. Coming up soon will be video about Carnival Cruise. I hope to see you guys there on my premiere. If not, please watch it when you guys can. Sorry about my dog. He's making a noise. So calm down, Bruno. So that is it, guys. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.